Welcome back, everyone! In this video, we're gonna draw Groudon from Pokemon Advanced Battle! One of my favorite Pokemon of all! And definitely one of my must-have and one of my top 10 favorite Pokemon. Okay, so to get started, Groudon is a legendary Pokemon from the Hoenn region. He is actually known as the continental Pokemon. He's a ground type. And, well, according to legend, it's said to have expanded the lands by evaporating the water with raging heat. It battled titanically against Kyogre. It's sort of a war against dominance or something. Even though they're rivals, when the greatest threat appears, they must work together. The scuffle of legends began when Groudon was captured by Team Aqua, and, well, he used the blue orb to ask Pikachu for help when they bonded, allowing Pikachu to take on this red glowing form. Wouldn't it be awesome if Pikachu had this in the game? And if this was a perfect Pikachu form? Definitely a must-have. Now let's get started, shall we? I'll bet that Pikachu will take on that form once again. Besides, Groudon is definitely one of my favorites. It's been that way since, well, I went to West Hills Day Camp. Definitely a must-have. Definitely one of my favorites. Let's start with the skull. There we go.
It's a battle, win or lose. It's the friends you make, it's the road you choose. You got the right stuff, so make your mind up. Find the courage inside of you. If you're strong, you'll survive and you'll keep your dream alive. It's the battle frontier.
There we go.
Be the best you can be and find your destiny. It's the master plan. The power's in your hand. Pokemon. You got the strength to win it, so stay in it. If you're smart, you can take it all. If you're strong, you'll survive and you'll keep your dream alive. It's the battle frontier. Pokemon, be the best you can be and find your
There we go.
It's the master plan. It's the master powers in your hand. Pokemon.
Okay, so after they managed to defeat Team Aqua, they managed to... Hold on a sec. They managed to destroy the red and blue orbs, setting Pikachu free and Archie free as well.
Find the courage inside of you. If you're strong, you'll survive and you'll keep your dream alive. It's the battle frontier. Pokemon, be the best you can be.
Sorry about that, folks.
It's the
I had like Papa back in the house.
the power's in your hand. Pokemon.
Yep. Yeah, I had enough to eat.
You got the
I'm fine.
strength to win.
Alright, like guys, let's get finished. Let's get started.
If you're smart, you can take it all. If you're strong, you'll survive and you'll keep your dream alive. It's the battle frontier. Pokemon, be the
Ever since I was young, I wanted to get my hands on a Groudon card myself. And, well, Groudon, he holds a lot of good memories for me. It really helped me open my eyes and find out a lot more about Pokemon.
It's a battle, win or lose. It's the friends you make, it's the road you choose.
Well,
You got the right stuff,
back then I didn't know much about Pokemon at all. But back on 2017, back in 2014, I managed to get a Pokemon X game as a Christmas present. I learned a lot more about the Kalos region. And trust me, Pokemon, that's definitely awesome. Seeing that was awesome. And, well, when I found out about Mega Evolved Pokemon, I felt like it took the whole planet to another level. And well, I didn't think things would get any better. When I found out that Groudon and Kyogre had a second form, that was a complete mind shocker. I managed to catch Groudon the day after my birthday during the beginning of 2015, and 2014 was coming to an end. 2014 was definitely one of my favorite years. That was the time of the Pterosaur exhibit at the museum. And the opening of my favorite Lego show, Mixels. Definitely the best year of my life. It's too bad I didn't get a chance to collect them all. But I started collecting them in 2015, and seeing them shared a lot of good memories.
It's a battle, win or lose. It's the friends you make, it's the road you choose. You got the right stuff, so make your mind up. Find the courage inside of you. If you're strong, you'll survive and you'll keep your dream alive. It's the battle frontier. Pokemon, be the best you can be and find your destiny. It's the master plan. The power's in your hand. Pokemon. Got the strength to win it, so stay in it.
Okay then.
You can take it all. If you're strong, you'll survive and you'll keep your dream alive. It's the battle frontier. Pokemon, be the best you can be and find your destiny. It's the master plan. It's the master
There's his leg.
in your hand. Pokemon. It's a battle, win or lose. It's the friends you make, it's the road you choose. You got the right stuff, so make your mind up. Find the courage inside of you. If you're strong, you'll survive and you'll keep your dream alive. It's the battle frontier. Pokemon, be the best you can be and find your destiny. It's the master plan. The power's in your hand. Pokemon.
When I found out about the Kalos region Pokemon in the Unova region, that was definitely a shocker. I didn't think there'd be new Pokemon coming out so early.
It's a battle, win or lose. It's the friends you make, it's the road you choose. You got the right stuff.
There's his leg.
Find the courage inside of you. If you're strong, you'll survive and you'll keep your dream alive. It's the battle frontier. Pokemon, be the best you can be and find your destiny. It's the master plan. The power's in your hand. Pokemon. Got the strength to win it, so stay in it. If you're smart, you can take it all. If you're strong, you'll survive and you'll keep your dream alive. It's the battle frontier. Pokemon, be the best you can be and find your destiny. It's the master plan. It's the master plan. Powers in your hand. Pokemon. It's a battle,
There we
win or
go.
lose. It's the friends you make, it's the road you choose. You got the right stuff, so make your mind up. Find the courage inside of you. If you're strong, you'll survive and you'll keep your dream alive. It's the battle frontier. Pokemon, be the best you can be and find your destiny. It's the master plan. The power's in
Okay, so what's next? This legendary Pokemon is said to represent the land they went to sleep after dueling Kyogre. Okay, guys, there we go. There he is, folks. The one and only Pokemon, and one of my favorites, Groudon. I finished the tail, and now it's finished up. There he is, my favorite Pokemon. Groudon is said to be the personification of the land itself. Legend tells that it had many clashes against Kyogre, that sought to gain power of nature. Through primal reversion, with nature's full power able to take back its true form, it will cause magma to erupt and expand land masses of the planet. As well, to be honest, well, I gotta admit, Groudon is one of my awesome and favorite Pokemon. I drew this form. First I drew the primal form, and then I drew his original form. Definitely one of my favorite Pokemon. Anyways, that's how you draw Groudon. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And based on your comments below, I'll be really excited on what kind of Pokemon you guys want me to draw next. This is how you draw a legendary Pokemon. And if you have any opinions, and if Pikachu should have that blue orb bonded form in the next game, just let me know, because that'd be an awesome thing. Please leave a comment below, and Stegosaurus, see you later. Pokemon trainers out there, good luck, because the next Pokemon game is gonna change the universe!